Very good morning, 10th class. Students, today we shall start with Unit 1, that is communication skills. Let's start with the introduction of communication, which means it derived from Latin word communicare, which means to share something. Being able to communicate effectively is one of the most important skill. Communication skill need to communicate effectively with people and customers. It involves the parties like stakeholders, customers, employees, vendors, media. So many people are involved in this process. And three important parts: transmitting, listening, feedback. Transmitting means transfer your feeling to somebody. Listening means to understand that message, and feedback means receiver conveys their understanding of that particular message. Here we have the example of communication discussion between customer and salesperson. That customer is demanding something from the salesperson, and after understanding that message, salesperson responds is, yes, we have the textbook of beauty therapist. Customer, please give me one of the copy of the textbook. Next is communication process and element. It involves the messenger and the recipient. Messenger will have the information, and recipient will understand that particular message, and the information will be in the form of coding that will be used by messenger, and the message will be received by the recipient after decoding of that particular message. Here we are having next topic, that is elements of communication. It will involve communication starts with sender, and that process, sender sends a message to the receiver transfer that message to the sender back with the reply of that particular message. Here we have method of communication: face to face, informal communication. देयर इज़ नथिंग बेटर देन फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन. इससे जो है आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज और साथ साथ में जो पर्सन का रिस्पॉन्स है वो फटाफट से और क्लियरली मिल जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज ईमेल. वेन एवर वी वॉन्ट टू सेंड अ मैसेज टू अ नंबर ऑफ पीपल in various location, because it's a flexible, convenient and low cost method of communication. Next is notice and posters. It is effective when the same message has to go out to a large group of people. For example, change in the lunch time of the factory workers. This is the example of notice posters. Business meeting. It will involve a group of people, can be related to business management and organizational decision. Other method, there can be various method like social networking message, phone call for communication, etc. Next is right method of communication. You have to target the audience. Cost of the communication is also important, and the type of information, what kind of information you want to send, and priority for that particular message. Next is verbal communication. Verbal communication includes sound, word, language, and speech. Speaking is one of the most effective and commonly used way of communication. And types of verbal communication involve interpersonal communication. Interpersonal means when two individual peoples are involved. One-to-one conversation. For example, a manager discussing the performance with an employee. Written communication, it will include letters, manuals, SMS, etc. Example, a manager writing an appreciation letter to an employee. Small group communication, it will involve press conference, board meeting, etc. Advantage क्या है इसमें? Exchange of idea by saying what we want and get a quick response. और disadvantage इसमें क्या रहेंगे आपके? Meaning can be confusing if right word are not used. मास्टरिंग वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में इन्वॉल्व रहेगा कि वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में आपको कौन कौन सी चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपको बिल्कुल कंसिडर करनी है. दैट इज़ थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक, and concise and clear information. Confidence and body language will also be involved, as be friendly, be confident, right? Next is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is the expression or exchange of information message without using any spoken or written word. आप इसमें word को use नहीं करोगे. You will use some signal message and as well as gestures, posture, touch, etc. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. 55% कम्युनिकेशन जो है बॉडी मूवमेंट आर्म के साथ रहेगी, आपकी फेस के साथ रहेगी. 38% कम्युनिकेशन जो है वॉइस, टोन और पोसेस के साथ है. ओनली 7% कम्युनिकेशन इज़ डन यूजिंग वर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट इज़ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में इन्वॉल्व हैं आपके जेस्टर्स, raising a hand to greet or say goodbye, pointing your finger at someone, expression, smiling when you are happy and making a sad face when you are sad. बॉडी लैंग्वेज में आपकी रहेगी आपकी फीलिंग्स, एटीट्यूड एंड स्टैंडिंग स्ट्रेट जो है वो शो करेगा आपका इंटरेस्ट. आर मैसेज बिकम मोर इफेक्टिव इफ वी यूज़ अ राइट gestures while communicating. If we know about non-verbal communication, we understand our audience reaction and adjust our interaction accordingly. नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, आपके फेस के एक्सप्रेशन जो है दे विल शो योर हैप्पीनेस, सैडनेस, एंगर, ऑल. हाउ टू यूज़ दैट? स्माइल व्हेन यू मीट समवन and keep your face relaxed. Match your expression is most important with your words. आपके expression जो है आपके words के साथ match करने चाहिए. ये नहीं हो कि you are saying you are speaking something else and your facial expression are different from that. Next is posture. Posture show our confidence and feeling. For example, standing posture shows confidence and slumped posture आपकी weakness को show करता है. Next है gesture और body language. Gestures include body movement that express an idea or meaning. For example, raising hand in a class to ask question and biting nails when nervous. This will involve also touch. Touch means we communicate a great deal through touch. For example, a pat on the back to encourage someone. If you did good work, then you will be appreciated by patting on your back. This will be the example of touch. Space, जो आपकी कम्युनिकेशन में स्पेस भी रिक्वायर्ड रहेगी, जैसे मेंटेन प्रॉपर स्पेस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन रिलेशनशिप विच कुड बी फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल. आई कॉन्टैक्ट shows that we are paying attention to the person or opposed to the looking away, which can be make the other person ignored. आई कॉन्टैक्ट में आपका रहेगा कि यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू अंडरस्टैंड द फीलिंग ऑफ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और you are ignoring that particular person. This will involve maintain eye contact with the intermittent breaks, avoid staring, keep a relaxed look. Paralanguage, how we speak affects our communication and includes the tone, speed and volume of the voice. For example, talking fast may show happiness, excitement or nervousness while speaking show. Rest of the topic we will discuss later on. Thank you.